Upgrade your backyard with stylish lighting that saves energy every night. Best solar fence lights outdoor brighten fences, decks, and patios beautifully. Discover top picks with strong brightness, weatherproof design, and long-lasting performance today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. JOFIOS Solar Fence Lights. JOFIOS solar fence lights are a strong choice for homeowners who want both decorative color options and dependable outdoor lighting. These lights feature 12 smart lighting modes, giving you the freedom to switch between vibrant RGB colors for parties or calm white light for daily use. The memory function is especially useful because it remembers your last selected setting, so you do not need to reset it every evening. One of the biggest advantages is the dual control system. You can use the included remote to control multiple lights at once, or manually adjust each light with the built-in button for a personalized look. The monocrystalline solar panel charges efficiently in around 4 to 6 hours and provides more than 10 hours of illumination after dark. Bright LEDs help improve visibility along fences, walkways, and patios while creating a warm atmosphere. Built with durable ABS and PC materials, these lights are designed to handle rain, snow, and changing temperatures. If you need stylish, colorful, and reliable solar fence lighting, JOFIOS offers impressive value for outdoor spaces. Number 2. Aulanto Solar Fence Lights. Aulanto solar fence lights stand out because of their upgraded larger size and wider lighting coverage. Compared with many compact solar fence lights, these come with a longer body design and more LED beads, helping deliver brighter light across fences, walls, and railings. The larger solar panel improves charging speed and stores more power during the day, which supports long nighttime use. These lights offer several lighting options, including warm white, cool white, and multiple RGB colors, such as red, green, blue, purple, and yellow. Flash and fade modes make them a fun option for holidays or outdoor events. A memory function keeps your previous settings saved, which adds convenience. With a full charge and direct sunlight, the lights can run more than 10 hours in winter and around 12 hours in summer. Installation is simple using screws or adhesive tape on flat surfaces. The IP65 waterproof body and 1500 mAh battery make them suitable for year-round use. Aulanto is a smart pick for larger fences and decorative outdoor lighting. Number 3. NIORSUN Solar Fence Lights. NIORSUN solar fence lights are ideal for users who want elegant outdoor lighting with multiple color choices and automatic operation. These lights provide 11 modes and 9 colors, allowing you to switch between cool white, warm white, natural white, fixed colors, and eye-catching RGB effects. Whether you want soft lighting for a porch or colorful accents for a backyard fence, these lights offer flexible performance. Their updated design looks stylish and modern, making them attractive during the day as well as useful at night. The dusk to dawn feature automatically turns the lights on in the evening and off in the morning, removing the need for manual control. A larger, angled monocrystalline solar panel helps capture sunlight efficiently, even during cloudy weather or winter months. Runtime can reach 8 to 12 hours depending on sunlight conditions. Built from hard ABS material with IP65 waterproof protection, they are made to withstand rain and outdoor wear. NIORSUN lights are a dependable and decorative solution for fences, decks, stairs, and garden paths. Number 4. KEILAIMO Solar Fence Lights. KEILAIMO solar fence lights are a great option for anyone who values brightness and long-lasting nighttime performance. These lights feature an upgraded lens system that concentrates the beam and produces an 80-lumen glow, making them noticeably brighter than many standard fence lights. This extra brightness is useful for fences, patios, pathways, and pool areas where visibility matters. The premium monosilicon solar panels are designed for better energy conversion and can collect sunlight efficiently throughout the year. Once fully charged, the lights can shine for over 12 hours, helping keep outdoor areas illuminated all night. Another strong feature is the variety of lighting choices. You can select from cool white, warm white, or several solid colors, including red, blue, green, yellow, purple, and cyan. There is also an auto cycle mode for changing colors automatically. With an IP65 waterproof rating, these lights can handle rain, snow, and temperature changes without issue.
KEILAIMO is a solid pick for users wanting bright, colorful, and dependable fence lighting.
Number 5. Bridika Solar Fence Lights. Bridika solar fence lights are an excellent choice for people who want extended runtime and versatile lighting modes. These lights offer 8 specific colors along with 4 switchable modes, including fixed color, flash, fade, and warm white, which makes them useful for both everyday lighting and festive occasions such as Halloween, Christmas, or outdoor gatherings. Warm white and white modes provide practical illumination, while the RGB settings create a more decorative atmosphere. One standout feature is the long battery life. After charging for around 4 to 6 hours in strong sunlight, the lights can stay illuminated for up to 30 hours, which is impressive compared to many competing models. The monocrystalline solar panel helps improve charging efficiency for consistent use. Bridika also includes a memory function, so the lights return to your previous mode automatically each night. Made from durable ABS and PC materials with IP65 waterproof protection, they're built for patios, fences, walls, stairs, and decks. Bridika combines style, endurance, and convenience very well. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.